Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you select your gender on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name here. So when you click on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do, you just click on account preferences. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on personal demographic information. So you just switch into open video here. So then you click, you come to gender, click here on this sign or select. So then here can you select if you want to add woman or man on another gender identity or prefer not to say. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.